I love the way you sound, your voice enticing.